Become student, this is G. Mirza Atik. The next chapter, that is process casting. Try to understand what you mean by process casting, where this casting will be applied here, and then features, and then difference between a job casting and process casting. According to ICMA London, process casting is that form of operating casting which applies where standardized goods are produced. According to Koehler dictionary here, process costing is a method of cost accounting whereby costs are charged to processes. There is different process A, B, C like that here, or operations are averaged over units produced, meaning it is a method of costing under which costs are accumulated or collected for each process here separately for a period of time. This is known as process costing. This method is used in industries where mass production or large scale production of standard product is done in standard processes. This method is usually adapted in the following industries: iron and steel industry, chemical industry, fertilizer industry, textile industry, oil industry, automobile industry, and then sugar industry, cement industry, paper industry, etc. So features of process casting. The production of goods is continuous until the final product is obtained. The final product is the result of two or more processes here. Each process is distinct and is predetermined and different here. Next one, the finished product of one process become the raw material for the immediate next process until its completion. All the units produced is a processes are identical and distinguishable from one another here, are different here when compared to one another here, but units of one process differ from the units of other process here. The main objective of this costing is to ascertain separately the cost of production at the end of each process and in total here. Next, difference between the job costing and process costing here. So product job costing and process costing, when you are compared to the job costing to the process costing, some of the differences are will we find here. Production is carried on against a specific order here. First, on the other hand, process costing, production is carried on continuously for stock purpose with a view to selling in the market here. Second, each job is quite distinct from the other, and product of one uh, job cannot be mixed up with that of another here, since the production is a continuous, in this case process costing here flow. Products are mixed up in such a way that they are not separatable here. Third, no transfer of product usually take place from one job to another except in case of overproduction. But in the case of process costing, products normally pass from one process to another before they reach the final shape here. Usually, finished product of one process become the raw materials for the next process. Next, costs are ascertained for each job separately here. In this case, costs are ascertained process wise or department wise. Next difference, after each job is completed, costs are ascertained for the job. Here, costs are ascertained for each process or department at the end of cost period. There may or may not be any work in progress in respect of a job on any closing date. At the end of cost period, there is every possibility of having work in progress, which is regarded as the opening work in progress in the next cost period. Next, total cost being divided by the number of units produced in the lot or batch here gives the unit cost here. On the other hand, total cost of a period after adjustment for opening and closing work in progress here being divided by the output of the process here during that period, it gives the unit cost. Lastly, job costing requires more attention from the management as the production is neither continuous nor standardized. Here, process costing requires less managerial attention here compared to that in case of job costing as the products are standardized. So the next aspect I will explain in next class, that is abnormal loss, wastage or abnormal gain unit is concerned, etc.